Hello everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing the Pesto Chicken Penne from Fuel Your Body. So that's what we got here. Got some chicken, noodles, vegetables, and this smells amazing. I'm excited for this one. It's got 403 calories, 43 grams of protein, 43 grams of carbohydrates, and only 7 grams of fat. So this is quite lean. We have chicken, brown rice penne, pesto, tomato, garlic, olive oil, seasoning. May contain nuts, gluten-free, and contains dairy. Also comes with a little of sauce here. So I want to dig right into this. It is smelling too good. And the chicken breast got some seasoning on it there. Amazingly well done. I don't know how they do it. Every time that I'm eating their chicken, it's always got good texture, good flavor. Noodles here. So good. Get the noodles. Try out their sauce here too. See what this is all about. It's like pasta. Yeah, that is wonderful. I like the seasoning on the chicken on this one. It is just so good. So for the Pesto Chicken Penne, I'm going to give this a solid 8 out of 10. Chicken breast seasoned greatly, like always. It's got good sauce, good flavor with the brown rice penne. I don't know. I like this one. This one's cool. Typically, pastas are going to be higher in calories, but this is a brown rice pasta, and I don't know, 400 calories. This is really good. 43 grams of protein, 43 grams of carbs, and 7 grams of fat. Very, very lean. I'm a fan of this one. You can check Fuel Your Body out at eatfyb.ca or on Instagram at eatfyb. Go check them out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.